Race number 8. Ayan now. And the race is on. Number 1, Sound Value, fast to begin, rushing up Aloha. Quick play in between runners together with Survey alongside Conquistador's Dream. Datos Pride down on the east side. Rushing up Tiger, Rific, Amazing Firenze, third last. Entry number 2, Speed to reaches second last. While Proof Knight is running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Aloha. In between runners is 7A. Rather number 4, Quick Play. Quick Play from the outside is Survey. Aloha running in third, Sound Value, and Conquistador's Dream racing from the outside as they race the final corner. Survey by a length and a half. Quick Play down on the inside, Sound Value, 7A, Aloha, Conquistador's Dream, Tiger, Rivic, Amazing Firenze, Datos Price, Speed to Reach, and Roof Knight. And nearing the finish line, Survey by half a line. Quick Play down on the inside, but still Survey. Quick Play by Darrell, and finally Survey. Quick Play, Conquistador's Dream, Amazing Firenze, Tiger, Rific, for your Fentafecta.